We are enhanced in all senses to breathe better, to fight better, to remember better, and most importantly, to imagine better. And that is Rachel from Blade Runner 2019. Enhancements are more common than plastic surgery once was. It once popular and the crudest form of enhancement to human history. And because of that, because of all sorts of enhancements, people live in different contexts. The cat you see could be very different from mine. Was it a snobbish English short hair or a grumpy Persian long hair? It all comes to our so-called computing and rendering efficiency. Due to inequity in computing resources, your context is very different from mine in depths, colors, and pixels. At this right moment, are you seeing a blue or an orange goldfish? Because we virtually live in all kinds of simulations, sort of monopolized by big companies that we all know, dream architects are selected in every corner of the world based on their talent and ability to imagine. To be a dream architect, of course, you will need to have some talent, genetic maybe, of what's left in the human you. And trainings, simulations, lots and lots of trainings to make your imagination as accurate, vivid, and relatable in every detail as possible. Not every family can afford that. Now sitting in front of you is a little boy named Azar from a humble family who has gone through years and years of trainings. And he just won a most prestigious award in an imagination competition hosted by a big technology company in their talent selection program. His and his family's lives are going to be changed forever because he has created the most beautiful and original dream that no one has ever dreamt of. That evening, he showed his award-winning dream to his dad, grandma, and grandpa at dinner table. They hugged him and nodded in great happiness and rejoiced in how great this piece of art is. Despite the fact that the family has stopped upgrading or enhancing themselves ever since the boy had dreamed to be a dream architect. So from the very far left to the right are his family's receiving ends. Let's not ever run out of computing resources and storage space. And let's not make imagination a luxury good. Thanks for bearing with me. Now I've come to the second part of our destiny, and I think you've guessed it. Our other calling is to create an equal opportunity so that everyone has equitable access to AI computing power. We're building a decentralized platform where anyone, individual startups, small to medium business owners, will have equal access to computing resources by hours to start, test, and scale their AI project, so that no one will lose out in this crazy imagination game. And of course, everything will be stored on IPFS. So our engineers have already developed a software based on Kubernetes that pools computing resources from the GPU hosts, so owners of machines and virtual machines that my previous speaker has related, to further containerize them into different AI training models, of course, in other applications too. So if you look on the right-hand side, you're bound to recognize a couple of your favorite AI tools winning models, including my favorite one, Midjourney. And these are just examples. With Equitable AI, I trust that everyone will be able to make their own AI tool that specifically works for their imagination. And last but not least, this is a summary page in case you've missed out on the services that we're already offering and those that are work in progress. Oh, I apologize for that. So from the top, the blue accents is supposed to be our infrastructure cloud services, the disaster recovery, GPU rental services that we provide for governments and enterprises. And the green accents are applications and portals that are free for everyone. There's Aurora Global, which is mining as a service, our Vault Node, the disaster recovery data storage portal, and our work in progress, Equitable AI. I know we're not perfect, but Power Meta will meet you there in the future. A world where everything is remembered and everyone can freely imagine. Thank you. Thank you for having me.